Let us pause together and take in a communal breath, just relaxing and feeling a sense of peace. No matter what is going on in the world around us, we can go to that place of peace. And with each breath, each heartbeat, we remember that God is present and that God is in the midst of all. We drop our awareness from our head into our heart space, becoming present and entering into that sanctuary of the heart, that place where we cannot be disturbed. And we let go of concerns, burdens, worries. We let go of our to-do list. We arrive fully present in this moment. We give thanks for this opportunity to connect, to commune, to align with the divine, and we touch the hem of the fabric. We touch that consciousness, that spiritual energy, and we know that it is us. We take time to allow ourselves to be blessed, our bodies, our mind. And in this time of connection, we send out blessings to the whole world as well. We remember the truth that whatever we are, God is. Whatever we are, God is. God is peace. We are peace. God is love. We are love. God is joy. We are joy. Drink that in. And now let's take that deep into the personal. Whatever God is, I am. Whatever God is, I am. I am peace. I am love. I am joy. It is the truth of me. And we rest for a moment now. In the silence, we rest. Together, we hold a high vision for the world. Together, we are thriving in a new earth. And so it is. Namaste.